Yesterday we were discussing about the trigonometry, and then we have seen the basic right angle triangle. Here angle theta, and this will be the opposite side, and then this is the adjacent side, and then this is the hypotenuse we got. And also we have taken all the trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, and then tan theta. And one of the major relation between sin theta and cos theta what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. I said to remember only this formula. From this only we can get the remaining. Whenever I take the sin square theta common here, then what I can get? If I take sin square theta common, then what I will get here? 1 plus cos by sin. Cos by sin nothing but cot. Cot na, cos by sin nothing but cot square theta, that is equals to 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to 1 by sin square theta. Then 1 plus cot square theta is equals to 1 by sin nothing but what will get? Cosecant theta square. That is one of the relation we got. And also here instead of taking sin square theta common, if you take cos square theta as common, from the first equation again I am taking cos square theta as common. If I take cos square theta common, then what is remaining here? Sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus what is there here? 1 we will get, that is equals to 1. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta, what will get? Tan square theta plus 1, that is equals to 1 divided by cos square theta, what will get? Secant square theta. I said these are the two relations. You don't need to remember, by the way. You don't carry so much of formulas and then so many concepts in the brain. Whichever is necessary, that you just remember. Remaining you try to solve. You try to derive the formulas. That is a major thing. You will get thousands of formulas in physics now in this year. So you cannot remember that. That many formulas means you cannot carry more luggage in the brain. So you will have theory based subjects, biology, that obviously you cannot do anything. You have to memorize that one. But physics is not like that. If you memorize basic formulas, then everything you can derive by your own only. So if you remember only this formula, then you can derive these two formulas, that's it. There is no need to remember these two relations again. Understand, right? So these are the basic formulas we have seen yesterday. And now we will discuss the quadrants. So here this is 0 degrees and 90, and then 180 here, here 270 degrees. Now this quadrant is, first quadrant will have which angles? Which angles it will have? Shall I write it as 90 minus theta? Yes, 90 minus theta will be there in this quadrant only. And also what will get? 360 plus theta. 0 degrees nothing but what will get? Again 360 only na? 90 minus theta or 360 plus theta. Next this one, 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, and then 180 minus theta. Third quadrant, 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. And then here the fourth quadrant will be 270 plus theta and then 360 minus theta. These are the basic angles we will get in this first quadrant. Which are positive? Do you have any idea about that? All are positive. All positive only. All positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec. Sine theta and then cosec theta are positive. In the third quadrant, tan and cot. Tan theta and then cot theta are positive. In the fourth quadrant, if you see, cos and secant theta are positive. Already you have the idea about that. But the people what they will do mistake means while solving 180 plus theta, for example, if I say 120 degrees, while solving they will get the wrong answer. Can you get that? Sin 120 degrees. Can you give the answer for that? What do you have to do? Sin 120 theta, 120 degrees. How to get the answer? What I can write this one as? 120 as what I can write? Sine of 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30. whenever you are getting 90, same function will be there, otherwise different function will come. Whenever you are getting 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta nothing but only sine will be there, otherwise instead of sine one more function will come. Cos will come. Whenever you are doing sine, then you will get the cos. Whenever you have 90 here, any 90 nothing but the product of pi by 2, odd product of pi by 2 is there nothing but at that time you will get sine is there means cos will get, cos means sine, tan means cot, secant means cosecant, like that we will get. Not direct inverse we will get in opposite inverse. So here we are getting sine 90 plus 30 means it will be video record ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ sin 90 plus 30 means whenever you take sin 90 otherwise 270 degrees, whenever you are talking about the 90 degrees and then 270 degrees, then function will change. Function will change as from where to where, nothing but sin to cos and then cos to sin, tan to cot and then cot to tan and then cosecant to secant and then secant to cosecant. It will changes like that. When it is possible, when it is true, whenever you are doing 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta or 270 plus theta or 270 minus theta. Whenever you are working with these angles, at that time functions will change. Sine will change as cos and then tan will change as cot and then cosecant will change as secant, in the reverse also. Understand, right? While doing 180 and then 360 or 0 degrees, then what happens? Everything will be as it is. If I take sine means sine only, cos means cos only, tan means tan only. In that way it will be. These three of the girls come this side, na? Come and sit this side. So while dealing with 90 degrees and then 270 degrees, the functions will changes. Sine to cos, tan to cot and then cosecant to secant, in reverse also the same thing will happen. Now here I am dealing with sin 90 plus 30. Sin 90 plus 30 nothing but what happens in the next step? What happens? Sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta nothing but everything has to change, na? So that sin will change as what? Cos. So that cos 30 degrees. Now sin 90 plus theta, which quadrant that is? 90 plus theta means which quadrant? Second quadrant. Sin is positive or negative? Positive only. So there is no need to change the sign here. Nothing but plus minus here. Now cos 30. Cos 30 is equals to what is the value for us? Root 3 by 2. That's it, finished. So if you don't want to do with 90 plus theta, you want to do with 180 minus theta. At that time what happens, we will check. So sin 120 here, again 120 means sin, what I can write? 180 minus 60, obviously 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. So 180 means function will changes, otherwise same function. Same function. 90 and then 270 means it will changes. 180 means it will not changes. So that sin 180 minus 60, sin will be sin only, and then here what is remaining here? 60. Sin 60 value is how much for us? Root 3 by 2. Same answer or not? You understand, right, how to do? These are very important while solving the problems. So smaller problems only, they will give smaller values only, but you don't know how to do this and then you are changing the symbols means you will get wrong answers. Okay, I'll explain you that clearly. First of all, you write that. You just draw the quadrants. Finished, huh? Shall we write all the functions? Can you tell me the values? Sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Why? Because whenever you are dealing with 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta, then what happens? Function will changes. That will be cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta will be cot theta. And then cot 90 minus theta will be tan theta. And then cosecant 90 minus theta will be secant theta. And then secant 90 minus theta will be cosecant theta. Yes, sir. After that, sin 360 plus theta, cos 360 plus theta, then tan 360 plus theta. You just do by your own only. After getting I will tell you shortcut. One shortcut method I will tell you. Everything you can remember easily. If you know from 0 to 90 degrees nothing but you can remember everything after that. Okay na? Then cot 360 plus and then cosec 360 plus secant 360 plus. 360 means function will changes, otherwise same function will be there. Same function, so that sin 360 plus theta will be sin theta, this will be cos theta, then tan theta, then cot theta, then cosecant theta, then secant theta. Everything as it is, nothing will changes whenever you are dealing with 360 degrees and 0 degrees. Can you tell me now? Sin 90 plus theta will be cos theta. Plus or minus? Plus cos theta na minus cos theta na? See, whenever you are looking at the symbols, you have to look always left side only. Okay na? These are the main functions which you are taking in the quadrants, not the answers. You are not taking the answers in the function. You are taking the questions only, which are the left side, those only you have to observe. So, sign means in the second quadrant, sign will be positive. So, only you will get here plus cos theta. Do not confuse in that. Cos theta will be minus in the second quadrant. Do not confuse like that. Okay na? So, you have to mainly concentrate on this one only, left side one only. So, that sin 90 plus theta will be plus cos theta. Then cos 90 plus theta will be minus sin theta. Very good. Minus sin theta. Tan 90 plus theta? Minus cot theta. Very good. Cot 90 plus theta will be minus tan theta. Cosecant 90 plus theta will be cosecant 90 plus theta. Sin or secant? Secant. Don't take the direct ratios, direct inverses you don't take. So, cosecant will become as what? Secant theta here. Plus or minus? Plus. Because here cosecant theta is what? Positive. Otherwise, I will write it as 90 plus x or 90 minus x, like that you just remember. Okay na? If you are taking theta means you are getting confused. Always I said which you have to observe nothing but mainly left side functions only you have to observe. So in the second quadrant, which is the positive? Sine function and then cosecant functions are positive. So here sine function is positive, so that only we got plus cos theta here. Again one more is what? Cosecant function is positive, so only cosecant 90 plus theta gives you what? Nothing but secant theta. Secant theta, just plus secant theta. Then secant 90 plus theta will be minus cosecant theta. Very good. Don't take direct inverses. Then whenever I come to sine 180 minus theta, na second quadrant nothing but sine 180 minus theta, and then cos 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta, and then cosecant 180 minus theta, and then secant 180 minus theta. Don't tell the answers by seeing the above answers, you have to do by your own. Now sine 180 minus theta, 180, we are dealing with 180 means function will change, otherwise same function. Same function. Whenever you are dealing with the 90 degrees or 270 degrees, only this one. Whenever you are dealing with this line 90 or 270 degrees, at that time only function will changes. Now sine 180 minus theta nothing but sine function will be like sine function only. Now sine 180 minus theta, what will you get here? I said function is same, sine, and then here what will get? Theta only, that's sine theta, that's it. Second quadrant sine is positive only, so only I am getting here plus sine theta. Next cos 180 minus theta, minus cos theta, very good. Then tan 180 minus theta, minus tan theta. Then cot 180 minus theta, minus cot theta. Cosecant 180 minus theta, plus cosecant theta. Secant 180 minus theta, minus secant theta, very good. That's it. Just copy that first. अरे वेली reading చేయించుకుందాపో. Try to do by your own. Right, next sine 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta, cot 180 plus theta, cosecant 180 plus theta, and secant 180 plus theta. Can you try that? Can you try and then tell me the answer? You do first. Very good, very good. -180 minus theta na 180 plus theta ikkada chesava. Very good. Prajwal. Very good. Prajwal. Good, Nana. Vinita. Why you got this one? Tan 180. 180 means function will changes, huh? For which function will changes? Have you written that function will changes for which one? 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, or 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Okay na? Good. Good. Finished? Finished, huh? Write remaining also. Try to write remaining functions also. Good. Have you written everything? 360 also, 270 plus, 270 plus. Next quadrant also. Then can you tell me the answers for this? Yes? Sin 180 plus theta? Minus sin theta, very good. Then cos 180 plus theta? Minus cos theta. Which quadrant, by the way? 180 plus theta nothing but third quadrant. In that which are positive? Tan and then cot. So here tan, here cot you have to see, and then everything is negative only. Okay. Now tan 180 plus theta plus tan theta, cot 180 plus theta plus cot theta, then cosecant 180, then what will get here? Minus cosecant. Secant 180 plus theta minus secant theta. Then sin 270 minus theta minus cos theta. Why? Because I said clearly while dealing with 90 theta, otherwise 270 theta, you have to get the opposite functions. Not opposite, opposite means not exactly reciprocal. Sin means cos, and then this one tan means cot, and then cosecant means secant you have to get. Then this is sin 270 minus theta will be minus cos theta, cos 270 minus theta will be minus sin theta, tan 270 minus theta, what will you get? Plus cot theta, very good. Then cot 270, tan theta, then cosecant will be minus secant theta, then secant will be minus cosecant theta. These are the functions you will get. Can you do the fourth quadrant then? Yes, can you? Sin 270 plus theta. Tell me the answers first. Minus cos. Why? Because dealing with 270 degrees na, 270 or 90. Then cos 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, cos will be plus only na, so that plus what will get opposite function, that is plus sin theta. Tan 270 plus theta minus cot theta, cot 270 plus theta minus tan theta, very good. Then cosecant 270 plus theta minus secant theta, then secant 270 plus theta, cosecant theta. Sin 360 minus theta, 360 means same function, otherwise different function, same function. Sin 360 minus theta minus sin theta, cos 360 minus theta, cos theta, very good. Then tan 360 minus theta minus tan theta, and then cot 360 minus theta will be minus cot theta, cosecant 360 minus theta will be minus cosecant theta, secant 360 minus theta will be plus secant theta. That's it. And you're feeling suffocating, na? So I said to sir already, today or tomorrow that servicing people will come, AC servicing. Then you'll be fine, and then moreover they'll fix the fans also, side fans, wall fans they will fix. And don't worry about that. If you are feeling so hot, nothing but you can sit in that class. That class will be fine. Why? Because the less strength is there, na? So their ACs are working, and then fans are also working condition only. Yeah, if you feel hot means you just go to that class. Shall we go now only? You after the class till 11 o'clock class will be there. So you want to go now means we'll go. Shall we? Till 11 we'll be there here only. Are you fine with that? Just get up and then open that windows, pushy. She's going, you sit. She's going away. Then very important things, sin minus theta, cos minus theta, and then tan minus theta. What happens to that functions? Sin minus theta will be what? Minus sin theta. Cos minus theta will be minus cos theta or plus cos theta? Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin theta, okay, very good, you said that. But cos minus theta is plus cos theta only, there is no change in that. Cos minus theta will be cos theta only. Just see the last table here. See, 360 means total all the angle we covered, na? Can I write the instead of 360 0 degrees? 360 or 0 degrees. Sin 0 minus theta. Sin minus theta only, na? Sin minus theta gives you what? Minus sin theta. Now you come to the cos. Cos 360 minus nothing but I will take it as cos 0 minus theta only. 0 minus theta nothing but can I write it as cos minus theta? 0 minus theta means minus theta. So cos minus theta, which quadrant we are dealing with? Fourth quadrant. Cos will be positive or negative? Positive. So only are getting positive here. So cos minus theta will be plus cos theta, no, minus cos theta, plus cos theta. So here 360 is there means nothing is there, 0 is there. Here 0 or 360 we are taking. So instead of 360 I will take 0. 0 minus theta will be minus theta. So cos minus theta will be what? Plus cos theta only. Why? Because we are dealing with the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant what happens? Cos will be plus. So cos minus theta will be just cos theta only. You understand that? Otherwise shall I repeat? Understand that, right? Then tan minus theta. Minus tan theta, very good. Cot minus theta will be minus cot theta. Cosecant minus theta will be minus cosecant. Secant minus theta will be plus secant theta. Instead of that, if you know two of them, then tan nothing but what I can write? Sin by cos. Sin by cos minus sin by plus cos gives you minus only, right? Minus by plus nothing but minus tan theta. That's it. Then next one is whenever you take cot minus theta, very important. These two are very important for us in physics. Very important. Cot minus theta will be what you will get? Cot minus theta will be minus cot theta. And then why? Because cos by sin you can do. Then cosecant minus theta will be what I can get? 1 by minus sin theta. 1 by minus sin theta nothing but minus cosecant theta. Then secant minus theta. Secant minus theta will be plus secant theta na minus secant theta na? Plus secant theta. These two are very important. Sin minus theta and then cos minus theta. Now we will see the standard trigonometric values table. How many of you know till 180 confidently? Just by seeing the angle, how many can you write? How many of you write? Up to 90? You are okay with 90? Then after that also that much easy only. I will tell you the trick how to remember that. Up to 90 if you can remember easily means after that I will tell you trick how to remember. Okay. Now, whenever you come to the first function, sin theta, cos theta, tan, cot, cosecant and then secant. So, sin 0 degrees, what will get? 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, then sin 60 will be root 3 by 2, sin 90 will be 1. If you know till then you can do that easily. Okay, then after that cos 0, exactly reverse. Whatever you got for the sign, everything reverse you have to write. Reverse means first start from 1 and then after that what will you get? Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 as it is, then this will go here 1 by 2 and then this will go here 0. If you know the sign, then everything reverse you write and then you will get the answer, that is it. Then what about the tan? Simply sin by cos only na? Sin by cos nothing but 0 by 1 will get was 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3, very good. And then 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1. Then root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Root 3, very good. 1 by 0, infinity. Infinity. In the case of tan, we will get as infinity. Then cot theta. Cot theta is nothing but what will get the function? Cos by sin, otherwise inverse of tan. Inverse of tan you take. So, inverse of tan nothing but what will get? 1 by tan, na? Cot nothing but 1 by tan. 1 by 0, what will get here? Infinity. Otherwise reverse of this one only again. Okay. 1 by root 3. Root 3, 1 by 1, 1, 1 by root 3, here 0. Everything reverse you have to write. Then cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is the inverse of which one? Sin theta. So that 1 by 0. Again what will get here? Infinity only. Then 1 by 2. What will get here? 2. Very good. 1 by root 2. Root 2. And then 1 by root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 nothing but 1 we will get. Then secant theta. Inverse of cos theta. 1 by 1 nothing but 1. And then 1 by root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. Otherwise exactly reverse of this one also you can write. Then 1 by root 2. Root 2. 1 by 2. 2. 1 by 0 will be infinity. Just copy till then, I will tell you the shortcut how to write that remaining. Finished? Is done? Now listen the shortcut. How to write that means, see, 120, 135, 150 and then 180. Did we miss anything here? Plus 30, plus 15, plus 15, yeah, we got everything. Now, here, what happens? Nothing but here whenever you are writing 120, 135, 150 or 180. See the difference here first of all. 0 to 30, 30 difference. Then 30 to 45, 15 difference. 45 to 60, 15 difference, again 30 difference. The same thing has to repeat here also. 90 to 120, how much difference? 30. Then after that 15, 15, 30. That's it, finished. Then first of all, here we got the sin theta values from 0 to 90. Everybody know these values. After that, how to write that values means, just reverse that one. Nothing but just put minus for all the values in reverse direction. Nothing but whenever you are traveling from 0 to 90, you have to go in this direction. Whenever you are dealing with 90 to 180, you have to go in opposite direction. That's it. So here 1 is as it is 90, then 120 nothing but what will get? Minus root 3 by 2. Reverse, you have to go in reverse direction, in this direction. Okay, 135, what will get? Minus 1 by root 2. 150, minus 1 by 2. 0. That's it, finished. Understand, right? Then after that, for cos 90 is 0 only, cos 120 will be minus 1 by 2, then cos 135 will be minus 1 by root 2, then cos 150 will be minus root 3 by 2 minus 1. You already very well you know that cos 180 is minus 1. Yes sir. Can you write everything like that? All are same only. You got the shortcut, right? How to remember? Then one more shortcut is, whenever you are dealing with 90 to 180, nothing but you are dealing with what? 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta nothing but sine will become what? 90 plus theta means sine will become which function? Sine function will become as cos function. So as it is, you take all the cos values and then you put here. That's it. Understand, right? Clearly, all the cos values, you have to take all the cos values whichever we got, that you put here as it is in the order. Then we got the same answers again. Understand, right? Which is easy, that one you can follow. So sin 90 plus theta nothing but sin 90 plus will deal with the cos. 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta will deal with the cos. So that as it is, you have to take the cos values and then you have to keep here. While dealing with cos, what you have to do? As it is, take the sign and then you put there. That's it. All are same only. Understand, right? But while keeping this cos values, you should not do in reverse. As it is, whatever the order is there, first root 3 by 2 is there, so that first root 3 by 2 has to come. And then next 1 by root 2 is there, next 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2, next 1 by 2, next 0, 0 like that. Okay. Whenever you are dealing with the same function, you have to go in opposite direction. Whenever you are taking 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta like that, means you can take the opposite function. Which first one will be only easy for you, then you can follow that only, first method only. Just till 90 you can write everything as it is. After that what you have to do? You have to put minus and then you have to travel in opposite direction. That's it. Shall we do some problems based on that? Yes? Don't do the table. Without seeing the table, you just try to do with a 90 plus theta, 180 plus theta like that. You have to do while, because you cannot draw all the table in the exam. Na? While doing the exam, we cannot do the table and then again we cannot take 5 more minutes for the table, and then that is useless only. You have to take with the angles 180 plus theta, 90 plus theta like that only, and then you have to do. If you can remember everything, means you can remember. As per now, you have to do normally only problem. Know these problems? Hello? Class lo 11. Why 270 minus 135? 135 nothing. 270 minus 135 is 135. Okay. Okay, you done with 270 theta. Then at 270, what happens? Cot become tan. Na? Okay, na? Do slowly, no problem, but don't do mistakes. Chesama? minus theta m. 360 minus 40 ఎంత? 360 minus 40 plus 40. ఎంత? Take it as 405. Take the angle as 405. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ 315 I have taken 350 nothing but 720 plus theta 720 plus 30 degrees na 720 nothing but 2 times of 360. You understand that? I'll do that. First one minus 1, you got the answer? Minus 1 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 and then what will get? Sine 360 nothing but that is 1 by 2. That's it. Last one is 1 by 2. I'll do that. See here, cot 135. Cot 135 nothing but you have to get sum of the angles as 135. You have to get sum of the angles either 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta, anything. Either two, sum of any angles should get what as 135. I'll try in both the methods. I'll explain you in both methods. So that first of all I'll take 90 plus theta. So that 90 plus theta is equals to how much we have to get? 135. Then theta can be how much? Theta can be how much? What is the theta value here? 135 minus 90. Nothing but how much it will be? 45 degrees. So that I can write as what? 90 plus 45 is equals to 135. This is the original method you have to do. Okay. So 90 plus theta is how much I have given? 135. Then theta is equals to how much? 45. So you have to understand that okay, 90 plus 45 gives us how much? 135. 90 plus theta means which quadrant? Second quadrant, so that we can do easily. Okay. Now cot 135 means how to write that? 90 plus 45 degrees. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta nothing but second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot will be plus or minus? Minus. Okay, minus we got finally. Cot 90, dealing with 90 degrees. Cot becomes what? Tan. Opposite function, that is tan. Theta is theta 1, that is how much? Tan 45, that is minus 1. You check in the table also. In the table also, cot 135 value how much I have given? That is minus 1 only. Otherwise, some of the students will think like 180 minus theta. That also we will do. 180 minus theta is equals to how much we have to get at the end of the day? 135. Then 180 minus 135 is equals to theta. Then theta is equals to how much again? 45 only. Theta again 45 only. Now again go for the second method. Method 2. That is cot 180 minus what you have to write? 45. Cot 180 minus 45. That is how much? 135 we got as it is. Okay. Now cot 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta nothing but again which quadrant? That is second quadrant only. Second quadrant means cot is plus or minus? Minus. Cot 180. Same function or opposite function? Cot 180. Same function. So cot is cot only. 45 degrees as it is. Then minus cot 45 value is how much? 1. So that only answer is minus 1. Either way you can do in either way, but you should get the proper answer. Okay. Then after that sin 405 I have given. Sin 405 nothing but only one choice is there for us. Whenever you get the angles more than 360, listen properly, whenever the angles more than 360, you have to rotate first of all. How many times you are rotating? First of all, whenever I start at 0 degrees, now I have more than 360 degrees. 0 or what I said, this is 360 degrees. 405 nothing but one time I rotated. Everything is finished. I came to the initial point only again. Now how much I am remaining with? See that 405. I already finished how much? 360 degrees. Then how much is remaining? 45 degrees is remaining. Now you can write as what? 360 plus 45 is equals to 405 easily. You cannot write with other values like 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus like that. You don't write. Direct and then shortcut method you find. Whenever you are just seeing more than 360 means you have to rotate. That's it. How many ever times you are rotating, you are reaching that point only again. The same point only we are reaching. So only here sin 405. Sin of 360 plus what I can write? 45. Sin 360 plus 45, there is no other method for that, only one value is there. So sin 360 plus 45. 360 plus theta, which quadrant? First quadrant. Okay na? I said, so you don't think about the quadrants also. Wherever you find 360 degrees, there you what you can take? 0 degrees. So that sin 0 plus 45 is sin 45, directly 1 by root 2. There is no need to check the quadrants also. You understand, right? Otherwise, you want to check the quadrants. Sin 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta means first quadrant. In first quadrant, sin will be positive only. And then sin 360, same function or opposite function? 360, same function. So that sin 45 again 1 by root 2 only. Okay na? Then after that, cos 405. What will you get? By seeing itself, you have to tell the answer. 1 by root 2 only na again. Cos 45 only you will get. So that cos 360 plus 45 degrees. 360 plus 45 nothing but simply that is cos 45, that is equals to 1 by root 2 again. Then whenever you come to this value, see that what I said, whenever you find more than 360, then what you have to do? You have to rotate, that's it. Rotate means not here, you have to rotate on the diagram. Okay, start at 0, end here. How much finished? 360 finished. So that 750 minus 360 is gone. Then how much is remaining for us? 15, 6 nothing but that will be 9, and then this will be 3. 390 is still remaining. One time I finished, then I am remaining with this one. Now again I will rotate. Whenever I rotate again, what you will get here now? 30 degrees, that is remaining, that's it. Okay, this is the final value you will get. You understand, right? Whenever you get more than 360, you have to just rotate the quadrants, and then once 360 finished, how much is remaining? Again more than 360 means again you have to rotate. Okay. Now here what will get? What I can write this one as sin 2 into 360. 2 into 360 nothing but how much that will be? 720 plus how much is remaining? 30 degrees. Okay. 360 means what? Simply 0. 2 into 0 will be 0 only. Then what is remaining for us? Sin 30 degrees. Nothing is there, just sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees, what is the answer? 1 by 2. Understand it clearly? Shall I give one more? Just copy that first. Try all the problems. Which problem is this? This one.